Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is our Gabby's Vlog for today's video all about Christmas Station ID updates. Alamin natin, subscribe na to our YouTube channel. Gusto ko mag-like, shares, comments, and views at aabutin ng 500 subscribers. I-support natin sa ating social media account. Ating latest vlog 291 episode 291 entitled Christmas Station ID 2024 Part 1. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin ang recap sa highlights na ito. Okay, eto na. Una muna natin yung recently last November 11 ang ating bagong Christmas Station ID ng GMA entitled ganito ang Paskong Pinoy ng GMA. May kapuso artists like Mario Rivera, Dindon Dantes, at syempre, yung mga favorite mong yung newscasters like Arno Clavio, Vicky Morales, and Melch. And of course, yung mga bagong shows for GMA service like Princess ng City Jail at mga batang release ni Miguel Tan, Felix, and Stephanie. And of course, pati executives ng GMA na si Gilberto Duapit kasi si Felipe Gausa dati na yan. And of course, kasi wala na si Mikey Ricketts kasi patay na. And of course, kasi wala si Jillian Wharf sa Christmas Station ID ng GMA. Pero next year, meron na Jillian Wharf by next year. Congratulations! And the singers, Rita Daniela, Julia San Jose, Aisel Santos, Zambrano, and the Cloud 7. And Strina coming soon on Spotify. Lyricus coming soon. And for TV5 fans, nagsimula na ang lyric video. Nahatik ang saya kapatid ng TV5 with the lyric video last Friday with Legit Dapper Cats, the ABS-CBN shows, and the PLDT Signal volleyball players. And unfortunately, wala si Kim Pajardo sa Station ID. But hopefully, by next year, ganun pa din kay Jillian Wharf. But hopefully next year, nandyan na si Kim Pajardo sa 2025 Station ID ng TV5. But by the way, yung Digit Dabercas and also nandyan si Alan Kay. And of course, Will to Wins with Rebellion Man. And yung mga others like Face to Face, Corina Sanchez, ang himalan ni Nino. And of course, the other kapatid artists, Maya Sproul and so forth of your favorite shows on TV. Pati News 5 anchors like Chuchi Cruz Valdez, Sherry Cossit, and Julius Baca. And hopefully tomorrow, ang full music video ng Christmas Station ID ng TV5 bukas, Monday, November 18. At for our latest vlog for today, before the end, hopefully para stay safe against Typhoon Pepito. And good luck! Chelsea Manalo sa ating Miss Universe and ongoing tayo. Hope to see you next vlog. Bye. God bless. See you next vlog.